Hey, what's my pros? It's me, Gina. In this video, I'm going to be trying out some new natural hair products that are new to me. I've been seeing these products going around a lot lately here on YouTube, and because so I have been very interested in trying them, so I went ahead and purchased them. You guys know I am trying to find better alternatives to help me get a wash and go, better gels, and so that was definitely what was the main selling point to help for me when it comes to wanting to try these products. So yeah, before we get into this video, if you have not joined our SmartFro family, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you don't miss out on any new uploads. And what products am I talking about? I am talking about Eco Slay. So what products do I have? I have their banana nut deep conditioner, which looks like this. It's 16 ounces. It is huge. Also picked up their rice pudding leave-in conditioner and moisturizer, as well as the Jello shot for your rebellious curls that looks like this. I got these products like 2 weeks ago, so they've been sitting in my refrigerator because it says they work better if you they last longer if you keep it refrigerated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with their deep conditioner, and I do know this deep conditioner can also be used as like an leave-in as well, but I'm not going to use it as a leave-in. I'm going to use the rice pudding as a leave-in. But my hair is freshly washed. I just did a bentonite clay mask, and I will link that video so you guys can check that out. And so my curls are popping right now, so I figured it would be a good time to do a wash and go. But we still got to deep condition because we still got to keep this hair moisturized. So I'm about to, it's thick, it's kind of chunky. Looks like it's creamy. I feel like let's see how it applies. It's really cold because it's been in the refrigerator. Okay, has a lot of slip going on. And because this is 16 ounces, I'm gonna just like go ham. So it is like chunky and like I'm like breaking up pieces. I don't know if it's just the mixture. I don't know if that's how it's naturally supposed to. I do know when I ordered these products that I got an email saying they basically make the product as you order. So I feel like they're very fresh. I don't smell any banana smell to it, and I've had products with banana in it that, you know, the banana smell is super strong. So if you're somebody who does not like banana smells, this might be something for you. Okay, so I'm now going to just steam my hair, and then I'll rinse this product out, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and get into the styling products that I have. Okay, so I have rinsed out that deep conditioner, and I have to say that deep conditioner is nice. I actually did not steam, but I did sit under my little thermal cap from Hothead, and my hair feels so soft right now. And look, I still definitely have curl definition, so that deep conditioner is a-okay in my book. My hair feels so good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, my hair feels so good, it makes me want to do a braid out, but we just gotta stay focused. But so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to apply the leave-in. I'm gonna apply the leave-in in 4 sections, and then I'm gonna kind of let the leave-in just absorb a little bit, just because I don't want it to immediately go in with the Jello shot, and then it may cause flakage or something like that. So just for purposes. Ooh, and I feel like my hair is shiny. And so I'm gonna go in with the rice pudding leave-in conditioner. It says leave-in conditioner and moisturizer with rice water, jasmine, and vanilla. So this probably has some protein in it, but water and marshmallow root are the very first few ingredients, and fermented rice water are like the top 3 ingredients. It looks like this. I think this is a newer product from them. That's why I wanted to try it. It's very thin. Ooh, it smells good. It smells real good. I like that smell. It's like a floral smell to it. Just look at this curl from these. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, my hair is just loving me lately. So this is really thin, but I feel like I'm getting a lot of slip, and I really feel like I don't need to go in with a comb, like a detangling tool or anything. So I feel like that deep conditioner really like gave me enough moisture, and then this has enough slip that I'm kind of just like running my hands through it. Now it is thin, so I am a little worried about how much moisture it's going to hold, because you guys know I love my thick creamy leave-ins, but I do like the application so far. Not mad at it one bit. So the next product I'm going to go in with is the EcoSlay Jello Shot, which looks like this. It is EcoSlay Jello Shot easily allows most textured tresses achieve long-lasting frizz-free results with okra, aloe, nettle, and chamomile that's super thick. This super thick nutrient-rich formula derives a strong hold with lots of shine. Strong hold, that's what I need in gels. This is how it looks. It definitely looks interesting. I'm just going to do a section at a time. And I got my spray bottle on hand, because it does say to apply to soaking wet hair. I know you guys know I hate soaking wet hair. Just gonna go in with this much. I don't know how much is too much. I'm just gonna apply. Okay, so right now it feels funny. When I say it feels funny, I mean like my hair with all the other products feels super soft and ready for me to do a braid out. But this kind of has like a different feel. Definitely think it's something you definitely gonna have to load the moisture in before, but it's definitely defining my curls, which is I'm a little impressed by that. So what I'm going to do is finish applying this, because my camera just does not want to be in focus today. So I'm just going to apply this to the rest of my head and speed this part up. And then I'll come back when I finish applying it and kind of tell you guys what I thought of it as I was applying the product to my head.
The vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they hold they chat. Honestly amazing, I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't do for. Yeah, I know what you wanted. You got it gorgeous. You bad, you're tugging. It's talking me nicely. Just ease it up on me. I'm fighting the feeling. I'm keeping it cordial, yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. You know that I need it. I can see it in your eyes. The way you move is so amazing. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready for it. You're ready. What are we waiting on? I know it's on your mind. You're ready. You want it for. You've heard some things people talk like they know the real me. Let me clear the air. I've made my mistakes. I've learned how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but safely. With you, it's different. You've been what I'm missing. Real talk, no fiction. I get lost in how I'm feeling. Yeah. I want you closer. You know where you started. Knowing that I need it. I can see it in your eyes, the way you move your body, baby. You say what I wanna hear. Tell me it's all for me. Just show me you want it. You're ready. You say you're ready.
Okay, so this is with the Jello shot all applied. I don't know. It's gonna be. I feel like it's gonna be a fluffy wash and go, but I feel like I had fluffier wash and goes. So we shall see. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm going to come back, and I'll show you guys the final results when I get back. Okay, so I do not feel like setting my camera equipment stuff back up, so I wanted to come and show you guys my hair completely dried. It is definitely a hard hold gel. My hair is definitely hard on the countryside, and I feel like I definitely need to like break the cast, but I'm getting really good curl definition for it not to be like eco styler gel or anything like that. I'm getting super good curl definition. This is the kinkiest parts of my hair. It defined it for sure, but it's like a fluffy defined, but I can definitely feel the like curls and stuff. So I'm actually not mad at this wash and go one bit. I am going to stretch this, and then yeah, so let me know what you think of this gel down in the comments down below. I like the products. I didn't even use all of the Jello. Let me go get it. So this is a 12-ounce bottle, and I used about not even a little less than half of it. So I definitely can probably do one more, maybe two pushing it, which is really good because normally with gels like this, they don't be big enough and you don't get that many uses out of them. I will say the gel is a little learning curve, but not too much like a custard type consistency. So that was nice. I like the gel. I like it. So yeah, this is my review on the EcoSave product. I really did like all the products that I tried. That deep conditioner was like bomb. The leave-in was bomb, and I like the curl definition I'm gonna get with this. I am going to look out and see whether or not this moisture lasts. I feel like I probably should have went in with something a little bit heavier than that leave-in, but overall, I'm really happy with my results. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.